It's a 2016 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. Projecting strength and durability and built to back it up, this Silverado 1500 is definitely one book you can judge by its cover. It's well equipped with the features you need: automatic transmission, electronic shift on the fly, driver selectable mode, power sliding and tilting sunroof, streaming audio, power heated mirrors, front heated and ventilated leather split bench seats, aluminum wheels, shocks, auto dimming rear view mirror, and V8 engine. Edmunds.com reports the Silverado pickup is just as adept at serving as the weekday family car as it is at transporting home improvement supplies or towing a boat on the weekends. There's more than a century of ingenuity and significance in every Chevy. See what it can do for you when you take it for a test drive.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.